everyone. Response sheet, the CAT response sheet is expected to be out today. So why? Because we log into the CAT portal, you will see that they are not showing the application form, which was being shown till yesterday. Basically, they do this moment just before when they come out with the response sheet. So it's expected anytime now. So just keep your fingers crossed. Let's see when the response sheet is out, and then we can look at the scores. How reliable are the marks? Understand that there will be scaling. So don't completely go on with the marks, because if you look at from the past, there have been scaling by more than 10 marks also. I mean, if you look at the marks for the scaling, so that means it's not a final mark which are there. So I've known marks like 78 marks being or 77 marks being scaled up to 87, 88 marks. So 10 mark scaling has happened. That is last year itself. So that means scaling is possible. I'll come up with a separate video on how the scaling was done last year and last year, so you get a better idea about it. But yes, I mean, it's not a final percentile. So wait for the scorecard to get a final percentile. So why is it important to see the scores? Okay, many students may not want to see the response sheet because they feel the scores have gone tough, papers gone tough. But it is important to know where to apply, because at least you get some approximate idea what your percentile could be. Different classes will come up with a different percentile, so you get some idea about it, and will help you to take future decisions. So what will happen in the future? It will definitely help you to take future decision in that case. So look at the response sheet. There's no harm in looking at the response sheet, right? Thank you, and all the best for your results.